Greetings everyone. Today we will be explaining you hydroponic system of farming. So let's start with it. So first, what is hydroponic system? Hydroponics is a type of growing plants and mainly of food and minerals. It is a method of growing plants, usually crops without soil, by using mineral enriched water. How we can set up hydroponic system? Since hydroponics does not use soil, plants require an alternate substrate for support, like soil, substrate, materials, hold water, air, and nutrients plants need for growth. Equipment required for hydroponic system: bucket, garden house, pH kit, testing kit including pH buffer solutions, plant clips, 50-gallon nutrient tank, PVC pipe, plastic tubing, fertilizer for a hydroponic system. And also we would be requiring expanded clay, pebbles, water, planting cups, stand for trellis made of PVC pipe, pump, plants, wind, area of land required for hydroponic system. We would be required 33,500 square meter of land. Steps for hydroponic system. Assemble the hydroponic system. Mix the nutrients and water in a tank. Add plants and the growing tubes. Tie the plants to the trellis. Turn on the pump and monitor the system daily. Monitor the plant's growth. Inspect for pesticides and diseases. These are the steps for hydroponics. Types of hydroponics. There are six separate types of hydroponic system that you can use, which include the following: wick system, water culture, ebb and flow, drip, NFT, nutrient film technology, aeroponic systems. What can be grown in hydroponics? We can grow tomatoes, lettuce, spinach, radish, strawberry, herbs, cucumber, spring onion, blueberries, basil, coriander, and many more we can grow. Advantages of hydroponics: up to 90% more inefficient use of water. Production increases 3 to 10 times in the same amount of space. Many crops can be provided twice as fast in as well managed hydroponic system. Disadvantages: putting together a hydroponic system isn't cheap. Constant monitoring is required. Production is limited compared to field conditions. If a disease appears, all plants in a system will be affected. This presentation was prepared by Yash Bansal, Krish Singh, Abhinav Singhal, Mahi Gupta, Siddhant Jain, and Yatharth Chaudhary. Thank you.